Well, this lecture talks about healthcare system in the United States, as well as challenges that our healthcare system confronts. Before I get into details and definitions and concepts, I'd like to lay out the roadmap for our lecture. So there are a couple questions I want to cover or address. First is, what are the major challenges of the American healthcare system, or for American healthcare system, and what were the several federal efforts to reform the healthcare system in the United States? And third question is, how did some fail, whereas others succeeded? Number 4 is, what is managed care? Number 5, what is Affordable Care Act? What's contained in that act? And ACA, also called Obamacare, which is the signature legislature passed during Obama administration. And question number 6, how did ACA fail or succeed? In what sense?